this is the May Look Fantastic box, or should I say bag. This edit is called It's Time to Get Away. So let's see what they've given away to get away with. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video is an unboxing and it is this. This is the May Look Fantastic box. Let's get it out of here. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. I'm trying to get to 2,000 subscribers and I need 85 more. 85 more subscribers. So close I can almost touch it. We are nearly there. So if you have not already, please share my channel with your friends and your family. The quicker we get there, the quicker we can get on with the giveaway. I am going to link a video here that's going to show you what's in the giveaway. There's 3 prizes and the main prize is the glossy 2021 advent calendar. It's amazing. Right, so this is inside the box. So we have not got the usual box that we normally get. We actually have a bag. And just nearly hit myself. We actually have a bag, like a cosmetic toiletry bag kind of thing, which I'm really quite liking, so that's nice. We'll have a closer look at that at the moment. We have the edit booklet. It has information on the products that are in the box, so that is fab. So yeah, here is a sneak peek for you at what is in the bag. So this is £15 per month. I will pop a link down below in the information box for you if you are interested in subscribing this for yourself. What is it again? I've wrote it down. Yeah, if you click on that link, you can get £5 off your subscription, which is great. If you get a 3, 6 or a 12-month subscription, it can be slightly cheaper as well. But yeah, I am super eager to get in here. You get, is it 6 products? I think it is, isn't it? You get 6 products in here, ranging from skincare, makeup, beauty tools, and so on. So just quickly back to the edit booklet for a moment. So here it just says this edit is called It's Time to Get Away. So like the sound of that. We have a page where it has all the products on here. And there's, yeah, I'm remembering now. You get information on 4 products. I'm going to sneeze. Sorry. So you get information on 4 products in the box, the other 2 you don't. So we'll read what's on the products for that. But yes, let's definitely get started. So we've obviously got to start off with the first item, which is this, which is the bag. It's like a wash bag, isn't it? I really like it. I like the fact that you can see through it, so you know exactly what's in there. I like the neutral colour that they've used for this. I don't know if they do different colours, no idea, so let me know if yours is the same colour or a different colour. We have the Look Fantastic name there, and it seems in really good condition, good quality I should say. Yeah, really like that. So the first proper product we have in the bag is this. So this is by the brand Bondi Sands, and this is a fragrance-free SPF 50. You get 10 mils in here. Is it 10? Yeah, you get 10 mils in here. And it just says, thanks to its non-greasy consistency, this cream is comfortable to wear and easy to apply. Whilst water-resistant technology works to keep your skin safe up to 4 hours, ultra moisturizing, the lotion offers intense hydration, transforming skin from dry and dull to smooth and silky. Okay, so I love a bit of SPF. I always wear it on my face all the time, every day of the year, come rain or shine. So yeah, that's definitely going to come in useful. Actually really decent size where you can just pop it in your handbag and it's not going to take up too much room, so not bad. The second product we've got in the bag is this. So this is by the brand Rituals, and this is the Ritual of Karma, and it's a body shimmer oil. Ooh, there's 30 mils in here, and it just says this luxurious body oil is infused with tiny shimmering mineral particles to reflect the light and add a stunning shine. The non-sticky formula feels light and hydrating on the skin. Ooh, so it's very pretty. Can you see all the shimmers in there? It looks so good. So I've just popped some there. You can see the shimmer there. Let's just, it's a very light oil. It's not heavy at all, which is great. And there you go. I've just rubbed that in. You can see how glowy that has made my skin look. And the shimmers are really pretty. Ooh, I'm going to enjoy using that. The third product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Gruum, and it's a purifying charcoal cleansing bar. It's a 50-gram bar. This says this zero plastic cleansing bar is handmade using activated charcoal to magically absorb toxins, leaving the skin clearer and brighter, and detoxifying lemongrass oil to promote a smooth, supple texture. Oh, so does that smell of anything? Lemons, smells of lemons. I'm not going to touch the box. I don't know if I'm going to keep this because I have quite a lot of bars as it is. But there it is there. And yes, it has a very strong lemon scent to it. Very refreshing. The fourth product we have is this. This is by the brand We Are Paradox, and it's a 3-in-1 conditioner. You get 30 ml in here. It just says the conditioner envelopes trestles in rich nutrients from Irish corrigine, I think that's how you say it, moss, honey lotuses and nettle to help fortify, smooth and tame. Antioxidant matcha green tea combined with hazelnut and coconut oils offer intense high-powered conditioning action in synergy. So yes, I have actually done a review on this mask. I'm gonna link it just there if you want to go and see it. I'm not going to tell you if I like it or not. You're going to have to click on that to go find out. But I received this mask in a previous box. That's how I got a hold of it to do the review on it. I can't remember which box it was. And in a box I've just received, I received a full size one of these as well. So this is starting to do the rounds. So there we go, there is that. The last two products now. So we don't actually have information on the next. Like I said before, they've only got 4 products that they do the information on, but they do appear on here because everything is on there. But let's just quickly go through the last two. So the first one we'll do is this one. So this is by the brand Sol Janeiro, and it's Bum Bum Cream. You get 25 ml. I have seen this everywhere. Everyone seems to be using it. I've never tried it before, so I'm so glad to finally get some so I can try it. What does it say? Fast absorbing body cream helps visibly tighten the appearance of your skin. I'm liking the sound of that. Yeah, let's open that. Oh, I can't open it. Wow, that's hard to open, guys. Oh my god, my hands are killing me. Just pop some there. Oh my god, that smells gorgeous. That feels lovely on the skin. It smells so good. I'm impressed just by the smell, never mind even testing it to see what it does. But yeah, finally happy to receive some of this so I can test it out for myself. Very last item we have is this. So this is by the brand CRT London, and it's a Glow 2 highlighter. It's a mini, it's 8 grams. What shade is this in? Starburst. I love highlighters. That's the product that I seem to get through without a problem, because maybe I pile it on my face, but you know. I have received this before. I don't know if it was in this shade. I don't even know if I've got it. I might have used it all up. But yeah, that's what that looks like. And there it is there. That is a stunning colour. Absolutely stunning. Let's just share that out a bit. Oh yeah. God, I love highlighter. Yeah, really happy to add yet another highlighter to my collection. So this is It's Time to Get Away Edit, the May Look Fantastic box. What do you think? Personally, I am liking this box. I definitely am. So there is, well, they're all small sizes, I think, aren't there? There's not one full size item there. But I don't mind because there's 6 of them and they all come in very useful. I'm definitely going to use the oil. This, like, it's got like little sparkles in. It's really cute. I think that's going to look nice in the summer. Go out for a meal and so on. The Factor 50 SPF, definitely gonna use that, so that's great to receive that. The hair mask, like I say, I've done a review. Make sure to go and check that out because I don't want to give anything away on that hair mask. You have to watch that review. The Bum Bum Cream, I am super excited to try it out. Like I said, I've seen that everywhere, so really glad I've got some. Highlighter, it's a must. I need highlighters all the time, so happy to get that. The Gruum Bar Cleanser, it's a nice idea to have. I think bars, I do like the idea of bars because obviously you're cutting out on plastic and stuff like that. This is totally plastic free, which is fantastic. It's just messy to use a bar. But yeah, I don't know if I'm going to keep that or pop it in a giveaway. I don't know. We'll find out in the future. But it's still a very nice product to get nonetheless. I do enjoy using bars, just can be messy. So yeah, this box does get a thumbs up from me. I do like it. It's not super exciting by any means, but I can't say it's a bad box because it's not for me in any way. Again, if you would like to subscribe to Look Fantastic, I will leave the link down below in the information box and the comment box. Click that link and you will get £5 off your first box, which is quite a good bargain. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.